and I'm from Manila. I had completed my graduation in the year of 2024 in the stream of electrical engineering in Ishwar Engineering College. After completion of my graduation, I chose testing as my career. As a part of this, I had joined in Qspiders in May 2024 as an incubation student, and I gained very good knowledge on manual testing, automation testing, Core Java and SQL. Here the trainers are very punctual and very good trainers. They support the students very well. Even though we have a small doubt also, they will clarify us, and HRs are very supportive. Even though if there is any requirement that match our skills, they will immediately add for the requirement, and they will give the mock interviews, groomings and presentations, which will be very helpful to get a job to us. That's all about me and my experience in Qspiders. Thank you.